Hi everyone, this is going to be the quickest card in history, well, my history. So all you need for this is an ink pad of some description. I'm going to use black just because it's bold, and this happens to be Simon Says VersaFine Claire, their combo that came in one of their previous card kits. I have the stamp set from the, let me think, the Through the Window stamp set from the July card kit, and so I'm just going to use the Happy Birthday from that. And I've cut down some of the pattern paper. You would have seen that in my reveal video, unboxing, what am I saying? So I just cut one of them down. The area of the pattern paper that I liked the most is what I did. This is also a piece of the yellow cardstock that was in that kit. I cut it in half and then folded it in half again. So this is a standard A2 size card. Now, because the VersaFine is a pigment ink and it can tend to want to take a bit longer to dry, I'm going to first stick this panel to the card base. So just got some tape runner, that should be good enough. Just going to pop it on here, about 1/4 of an inch smaller than the yellow. I thought the yellow worked well with the green in the leaves, so that's why I brought the yellow one in, and also the blue with yellow, they work really nicely together. Then this is the stamp, so I have rubbed my fingers over it because of manufacturing oils and whatever else they use, just to hope to get a good impression. If it's not a good impression, I'm not going to worry. I like distressed looks anyway, and this has kind of got that going on. I just thought this would make for a nice, quick, simple happy birthday card. Done. Right, so let's get this, I think about here. I have no idea if that's actually straight. So busy thinking about where to put it that I forgot to look at whether or not it's straight. So I'm just giving it a bit of welly. Don't just CPR the thing, but you know. And look at that, it's not straight, but that's okay. So there you go, very quick, simple. Because the background was quite pale, it meant that this sentiment is standing out really, really well. If that being a little wonky bothers you, you can always stamp it again on a piece of cardstock and then put that over the top of it. But I like this. I like this look. It's basically a one-layer card using pattern papers, which you guys know I struggle to use them. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and until next time, see you next time. Bye. Bye for now.